Hi, it's day 4 of Autohive's 12 Days of Christmas. Today, we'd like you to meet New Zealand HR Regulation Assistant. Are you tired of having to spend hours searching the latest Holiday Act changes? Unsure if your employment agreements are compliant? This new agent instantly finds current New Zealand employment law information, upcoming proposed changes, and creates the compliance documents you need. Picture this. The Holiday Act reform is coming and you need to update all employment agreements, check leave calculations and brief your team. But the legislation keeps changing and you're drowning in government websites. And here is the benefit of the agent. Instead of spending hours on multiple government sites piecing together requirements, now you just ask one question and get everything you need, from real-time updates on New Zealand employment law changes, especially Holiday Act reform, instant compliant checklists and document templates, plain English explanations of complex legal requirements. Let's jump in and showcase this agent now. Now we're going to browse agents. Scroll until you find the New Zealand HR Regulation Assistant. Then just click Get Agent. Here's a conversation I had recently with my New Zealand HR Regulation Assistant. Can you show me the top 3 changes that will affect New Zealand employees? Now you can see that my assistant has gone through, checked all the websites, checked at the Beehive for announcements, checked other employment law changes, and continued until it could scrape together this information for us. Very easy to read, nicely bulleted for us, and even gives us a timeline for when the changes will be introduced. It gives us a breakdown of the top ones that are going to affect us and what it means for our employees. Here it gives a whole bunch of suggestions for where you can take the conversation next. So the New Zealand HR Regulation Assistant takes you from confusion about compliance to clear action plans in minutes, all using current official sources. Add the New Zealand HR Regulation Assistant to your workspace and never miss a legislative update again. You can find the agent by clicking on Browse Agents in a workspace. Tomorrow, day 5 brings another agent that transforms your productivity and business. See you then!